हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आपका मैंने हार्मोनल वाला यूनिट कंप्लीट कर दिया था। नेक्स्ट यूनिट में आपके ये ओवेरियन साइकिल, टेस्टिकुलर साइकिल्स वगैरह हैं। तो इसमें जो हम सबसे पहले टॉपिक लेंगे दैट इज़ द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव साइकिल। ओके, ये कहाँ पे होता है? ओवरी में होता है। और दूसरे जो सिस्टम हैं फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के, जैसे कि यूट्रस वगैरह, वो भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं। ओके, तो इसमें देखिए आप, द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव साइकिल इंक्लूड्स ओवेरियन साइकिल, यूटेराइन साइकिल्स, hormonal changes, regulating these cycles, and the cyclical changes in the breast and cervix. Ovarian cycle, it is a series of events in the ovaries that occur during and after the maturation of an oocyte. मतलब जब एक oocyte मैच्योर हो जाता है तब इसमें एक सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट्स होता है और ये ओवेरियन साइकिल कहलाता है। यूटेराइन साइकिल, इन एसोसिएशन विद ओवेरियन साइकिल, द concurrent series of changes in the endometrium of the uterus to prepare it for the arrival of a fertilized ovum that will develop there until birth. मतलब ओवेरियन साइकिल के साथ साथ यूट्रस में भी चेंजेस होने लग जाते हैं और इसी के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है यूटेराइन साइकिल। उसमें क्या होता है, जो एंडोमेट्रियम उसकी लेयर होती है, यूट्रस के सबसे अंदर जो लेयर होती है उसको एंडोमेट्रियम लेयर कहते हैं, वो थिक होने लग जाती है और वो इस चीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर होने लग जाती है कि वहाँ पर फर्टिलाइज ओवम पहुँचेगा और जो कि डेवलपमेंट होगा अंटिल बर्थ। Phases of female reproductive cycle. The duration of female reproductive cycle ranges from 24 to 35 days with an average duration of 28 days. Phases of cycle are menstrual phase, pre-ovulatory phase, ovulation, post-ovulatory phase. Menstrual phase, it lasts for first 5 days of the cycle. Events in the ovary में क्या इवेंट होते हैं? At 25th day onwards, about 20 numbers of secondary follicles begin to enlarge. Secondary follicle cells जो होती है वो बड़ी होने लग जाती है. Follicular fluid from granulosa cells and fluid filtered from theca folliculi capillaris accumulate in the antrum. Events in the uterus, the progesterone level declines. उसके बाद stimulate PGs. PGs causes contraction of arterioles, decreased blood supply to S functionalis, cells die, shedding of these layers. The menstrual flow begins. It includes blood, tissue fluid, mucous epithelial cells shed from the endometrium. Pre-ovulatory phase या proliferative phase या uterine phase. It is the time between end of the menstruation and ovulation. The length of this phase may vary. Usually in a 28-day cycle, it lasts for 6 to 13 days. Events in the ovary, 20 secondary follicles continue to grow, start screening estrogen and inhibin. 12th day onwards, progesterone release begins. Then one among the 20th follicles in either one of the ovary become dominant follicle. The dominant follicle, estrogen and inhibin, inhibit the release of FSH. Less developed follicles undergo estrdia. FSH हार्मोन follicular stimulating hormone जो कि pituitary हार्मोन है. Dominant follicle matures to Graafian follicle. The antrum in the Graafian follicle enlarges and graphene follicle becomes ready to rupture. Due to the high LH release, estrogen release by graphene follicle increases. LH क्या है? luteinizing hormone, ये भी pituitary hormone है. Events in uterus, growing follicle, release estrogen, stimulate mitosis and basilosis, formation of a new functionalis, thickening of endometrium, development of blood vessels and endometrium glands. Ovulation, it takes place on the 14th day of cycle. It is the release of secondary oocyte into the pelvic cavity. The development and maturation of secondary oocyte takes place about 20 days. The secondary oocyte plus zona pellucida plus corona radiata is released. The high estrogen increase, GnRH release, increase the release of LH and FSH. In addition to that, estrogen directly stimulate and pituitary to release LH. All these leads to LH surge, rupturing of mature graphene follicle, release of secondary oocyte, taken up into fallopian tube. As a result of follicle rupturing, pain 7 little blood loss. Post-ovulatory phase, it is the time between ovulation and next menstruation phase. It lasts 15 to 28 days of the cycle. Events in ovary, luteal phase. After ovulation, the basement membrane between theca cells and granulosa breaks of follicle due to small bleeding blood clot formation. Corpus luteum is formed by the influence of LH. Corpus luteum starts secreting estrogen, progesterone, relaxin and inhibin. If the ovum is not fertilized, the corpus luteum continues its secretion for 2 weeks, then degenerates into corpus albicans. RS-FSH increases, new ovarian cycle begins. अगर egg fertilized नहीं है तो. If fertilization occurs, the corpus luteum does not undergo degeneration after 2 weeks. 8 days after fertilization, the chorion of the embryo release SCG. SCG stimulates the release of hormones from corpus luteum. Events in uterus, secretory phase. The secretion of corpus luteum stimulates the growth and coiling of endometrial gland, arterioles. Vascularization increases endometrial thickening. If no fertilization, after 2 weeks, decline in progesterone level due to degeneration of corpus luteum. Here phases of reproductive cycle, ये एक फ्लो चार्ट बना हुआ है. ओके, तो इस तरह से टॉपिक कंप्लीट आपका. ओके, थैंक यू.